I'm Janene.
And Todd.
Todd.
So you guys have just come to buy one of our Superior models. You were from New South Wales. Haven't seen the van when you put the deposit down. What do you think of the van when you saw it?
Love it.
Yeah.
We loved it. We loved the videos and seeing it in person now.
Yeah.
It's fabulous.
Yeah. Is
It's
it exactly
fantastic.
what you were expecting or more?
And
What do you
more.
think?
And more. And more.
Yeah. So you have the Superior Rugged Rover, that's the 18-foot model.
Mhm.
Rear door. Do you like the floor plan? What do you think of the floor plan?
Fantastic. Love it. And love it. It's actually quite spacious.
Yeah.
It's very spacious. And yeah, just love the floor. Love everything.
Yeah, a lot of added features onto this van. What's your favourite feature that you like in this van?
Ooh. I have quite a few, but I love the slide out pantry.
Yeah.
You know, the bathroom, beautiful. The whole van is just beautiful. But storage is a big tip.
Yeah.
Also.
Exactly,
Yeah.
because you've got a full length tunnel boot, plus a slide out toolbox at the front, and lots of cabinetry everywhere. How likely are you guys to recommend us to the friends and family that you guys know?
Very likely.
Yeah, I think someone has already spoken to you. We're really excited to talk to them as well. And we love that you have this brand new van. Congratulations
Thank you
again.
so much. You've been wonderful to deal with
Thank you
also.
so
Thank
much.
you. Thanks to all of you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank you, Todd. Congratulations on your brand new van.
Thank you.
Isn't that beautiful?
Thank you.